Hi everyone. We will kickstart this channel by introducing the genesis story behind Berko Research Institute, or BRI in short. Approximately a decade ago, on a rainy autumn day, students from various parts of the country started coming to university dorm rooms for their freshman year. A certain dormitory offered 5 rooms in a single apartment-like setting, which provided ideal conditions to form lifelong friendships with like-minded roommates. Since this was a student dorm after all, it is only natural we had some late night parties which included drinking, loud music and talking long after the dormitory code allowed. On first of such occasions the fun was disrupted by the loud knocking on the apartment door. After opening the door we saw a pissed off campus security guard that immediately stopped the party, took our details and left. After the incident we went to sleep and next morning at 7 am, hard knocking on the door woke us up. Only this time it was the campus manager, happy to inform us this was our first strike. 3 strikes mean you are no longer welcome on the campus. Campus manager was a thin, small, jeans-wearing guy with dark glasses and a grand mustache. Most of the time he seemed like a mafia boss that occasionally likes to go to a rock music festival. He never used force or heightened tone with us, but somehow always convinced us to listen to him and do at least partially what we are told. It was somewhat clear that our apartment grew real close to campus manager's heart, as he was visiting us quite frequently, and that was the reason we named ourselves Berko's favorite. When translated to English, that would mean the mustache man's favorite. The name Berko Research Institute basically comes as a natural combination of the grand mustache that campus manager wielded. So actually a Berko is a man with a large mustache in the local language, and a research institute which our group basically was throughout the years spent studying engineering, economy, medicine and law. To sum it all up, Channel Berko Research Institute will initially supply content about building a workshop, working on a couple of metal work projects, car maintenance, modification and restoration, and as the channel grows we will focus on the content that you guys will prefer to watch. See you all in the first of the workshop build series coming next week.